Hello friends, for those who are new, let me introduce myself. I am Rushali and I make videos on nail hacks and easy nail art designs. So today I'll be sharing with you how to do perfectly striped nails in 5 different ways. And you can never go wrong with stripes if you follow my tricks. So let's nail it. So the first method is of course by using a striping brush. A striping brush is longer and thinner, which makes it easier for doing stripes. The trick here is to support your hand and hold the brush firmly, and also to rotate the working finger if necessary while doing horizontal stripes. Now this is a striping tape which I'll be using for the second method. And the trick here is to apply a layer of top coat and let it completely dry before using the striping tape. And yes, this step is very important as you don't want to damage your base color while pulling off the striping tape. Then paint it with your favorite color and just pull it off with a pair of tweezers when the nail paint is still wet. After which you will get something like this. Next I'll be using nail vinyls. These are DIY nail vinyls and I have made a separate video on this, the link to which is in the description box below. You may also use the ready-made stencils if you have these. Now all you have to do is just apply the nail paint and peel it off. Now just go ahead and do any corrections if required. In this method here, I have taken a simple polythene sheet and I am painting it with a layer of gold polish. You may give 2-3 coats if required, then let it completely dry and peel it off. And then give vertical cuts like so. Now apply a layer of top coat, and when it's still tacky, just stick on the stripes onto the nail like so. Also don't forget to give a layer of top coat after all these steps. And this is how it looks. And last is a stamping nail art method, and I'll be using this striping design. Here I'm applying polish. I'll swipe it. I'll pick up the design onto my stamper and I'll stamp it onto my nail. So this is how it looks. Amongst all these, I love the striping tape and the stamping the most. So let me know which is your favorite method in the comment box below. Till then, take care. Bye bye.